Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to spend a little time working on our letters. Now wait. Before you click away, I know some of you, your moms and dads have said you don't like working on your letters. Well, I want to tell you before you just click away and start watching Paw Patrol, we're going to do it a fun way. We're not going to just write. We're going to make letters out of Play-Doh. I'm going to make them out of Play-Doh. You can do the same thing at home. I posted a recipe how to make Play-Doh, or you might just have Play-Doh. You can use your own. You can see what letters you can make. See if you can make the letters in your name. Then after you do your name, see if you can make the letters in your brother or your sister's name. And you can make have some really good times making letters that's not just sitting and writing them down. Okay, so we're going to start off with a letter, the very first letter that we learned when we started school this year. I'm going to make it out of Play-Doh. I'm going to let you guess what it is. Now I have to make my letters upside down so you can see them. So hopefully this comes out okay. All right, so I have made this letter. Whoops, it fell down a little bit. See if you can guess what this letter is. What does that look like? Does anybody know? Give you a minute to think. If you said F, you are right. This is letter F. And F, remember, makes the sound of f. So I have two things here. I have a rock and a flower. Which one do you think starts with the letter F? Which one starts with the sound of f? Is it rock or is it flower? What do you think? Letter F. If you said flower, you are right. This is letter F and it makes the sound f, which starts flower. Okay, here's our next letter. Our next letter is, I'm going to put this together. Hopefully it's the right way for you. It's upside down for me. Okay, what letter is this? What letter is this? There we go. What letter is this? If you said letter C, you are right. That is letter C. C, remember, says S and K. Makes two different sounds. So let's see. I have a cup and a Buckeye. Which one starts with C? C says S and K. So would that be cup or Buckeye? I'll hold it up so you can see. Cup or Buckeye? Which one starts with C? Listen to that beginning sound. And if you said cup, you are right. K. Remember, C makes that K sound, and C is the first word in K, cup. Good job. Okay, I think I need a little Play-Doh on the back of my board. There we go. That'll solve that problem. Okay, the next letter we're making, this is kind of a tough one. I'm going to need another string of Play-Doh. Okay, see if you can guess it while I'm making it. I'm going to tip my board even a little bit more. Some of you, I bet you would be doing this if we were in school. You would be trying to guess it even while I was making it. So I have a straight stick here on the side, and then I have bump. So I'm going to hold this up and hold this up. What do you think that letter is? I'll give you a minute to think. If you said B, you are correct. This is the letter B. B says B. So I have some bark and I have a stick. So which one starts with B? Listen for the B sound at the beginning. Is it bark or is it stick? We're looking for the one that starts with the sound of B. Bark or stick? If you said bark, you are correct. Bark starts with the B sound of letter B. Good job, good job. Okay, next we are going to do, we did this letter kind of early on too. I'm going to do it so you can see. And I bet some of you will try and guess even while I'm making it. So I'm going up the mountain, I'm going down the other side, and now I'm going to cross the bridge. I'll take my little ends off there. Okay, so what letter is this? Anybody have any ideas? If you said letter A, you are correct. And A makes two different sounds. It makes A and A. A and A. So I have, what do I have? I have a button and I have an acorn. It's a little one. You can hardly see it. Button and acorn. Which one starts with letter A? Is it button or acorn? A says A and A. So is it button or acorn? Listen for that beginning sound. If you said acorn, you are right. This is a letter A, and it makes the beginning sound of acorn. All right. Now I'm going to make another one. You can guess it while I'm doing it. I'm going to make a straight stick and then a bump. Straight stick and bump. All right, I'm done. What letter is that? I'll give you a minute to think. If you said D, you are correct. And D makes the sound of D, D. D says D. So I have got a pine cone and I've got a dime. Which one starts with the D, D sound of D? D, D, D. Listen for that beginning sound. Is it pine cone or is it dime? Pine cone, dime. Which one starts with D, D? If you said dime, you are right. This is letter D and it starts the word D, dime. Dime. Okay, we've got one more. You're doing good. Then you can watch Paw Patrol or whatever Mom and Dad says it's okay to watch. Okay, I'm going to make a straight stick. I'm going to go over, over, over. And this is a letter we just did, maybe about a month ago or so. Okay, I've got it done. All right. What letter is this? I'll give you a minute to think. If you said E, you are correct. And E is another one of those letters that makes two sounds. It makes the E sound and it makes A. E and A. So I have an earring, and we'll bring back our button. Which one starts with the letter E? Earring or button? Listen for that beginning sound. Is it earring or is it button? Earring, button. If you said earring, you are correct. Earring is correct. Good job. Okay, well that is our letter practice for today. If you've got some Play-Doh or something that you like to use, why don't you try practicing your letters that way instead of just writing them? Writing them is important, but sometimes it's nice to do something a little different to make it more fun. You can do your name, you can do your brother or sister's name, you can do your mom and your dad's name. Try doing your dog's name. I think that's how we'll wrap it up. I think I'm going to do my dog's name. Okay. All right. Oh, I left that part out, didn't I? So this is what I used to make the letters. I took my Play-Doh, I had a lump of it, and I rolled it in my hands like this, and then I rolled it on my table like this. I left that part out. That's kind of important, huh? I rolled it like that, and that's how I made the ropes that I used to do my letters. But right now I'm going to finish up by doing my dog's name, just to show you how fun it is to make words out of letters. Uh-oh, I'm running out of space. Let's see. I'm going to let you see it while I do it. I'm going to move this one over. See if you can guess all the letters in my dog's name. Need one more rope. There we go. So I can make my dog's name too. See, you can make all kinds of things. These are the letters in my dog's name. T-O-V-E-R. Tover. So if you end up making ropes with your Play-Doh and making letters and making someone's name, why don't you take a picture of it and send it to me, because I'd love to see it. Okay, now you can go watch Paw Patrol if it's okay with your mom. Bye.